Thom Hartmann here with you. Well, you'll recall it was just a couple of days ago. I was talking about Jeff Sessions and this is going to be, well, when he declared war on pot, when he said we're going to go after states that have decriminalized recreational marijuana, I was speculating, well, that's not going to go over very well. I wonder how long you're going to remain Attorney General. And it's really coming home to roost. There's no clear association between the two, but, by going after pot, he's certainly not getting any friends, even among, frankly, a lot of Republicans who represent states that have decriminalized pot or have decriminalized medical marijuana. And now he's saying, "Oh yeah, no, I didn't meet with any Russians anywhere," and apparently that's not true. And in fact, he met with the Russian ambassador twice. Now that in and of itself would mean absolutely nothing if he had not lied about it. Just like Bill Clinton having sex with an over 21 consenting adult in the White House would have no meaning to anything other than Bill Clinton's marriage and maybe reputation. But when he lied about it under oath, Bill Clinton got impeached and lost his law license. He was convicted. In fact, he paid a fine of some kind, and for a year he was on some kind of probation. So Jeff Sessions lies under oath to Congress this time, not just in a deposition, but this is to Congress. Well, Jeff Sessions was pretty outspoken back during the Bill Clinton times about what happens when people in power and authority in an administration lie under oath. Here he is.
Well, people say the Republicans. People see things differently just because than just what party you belong to. I am concerned about a president under oath being alleged to have committed perjury. I hope that he can rebut that and prove that did not happen. I hope he can show he did not commit obstruction of justice and that he can complete his term. But there are serious allegations that occurred. And in America, and the Supreme Court and the American people believe no one is above the law.
Right. Jeff Sessions, one of the guys who wanted to remove Bill Clinton from office. Keep in mind, Bill Clinton stayed president by one vote in the Senate. And Jeff Sessions wanted him out. Out. Right. So is this going to be the thing that takes down Jeff Sessions? I don't know. And frankly, I mean, I saw his testimony. It's been being played ad infinitum, to Al Franken. And the excuse that he's going to make, and, a lot of people are going to go along with it because the excuse he's going to make is, I was speaking in the context of talking to Russians about the Trump campaign or anything that has to do with that or something that might impact the Trump campaign or whatever. And, clearly that was the context of the question. But the problem is that Jeff Sessions volunteered a very specific statement. And it wasn't, qualified like that with regard to campaign stuff. He simply said, no, I never met with any Russians. You would think he would say, oh, yeah, I met with the Russian ambassador the other day. We have interests in common, and it's an appropriate thing to do, which is what he's trying to say now. But that's sort of like Bill Clinton trying to say, well, yeah, I did have sex with her, but or it depends on how you define sex, right? I mean, we never actually, did the thing. It's, I don't know, not working. It's just not working.